Hi! In front of me is Nokia XR20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Samsung Voice Recorder. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to select Continue, choose while using the app, tap on Allow and tap on Yes, I agree. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to end your recording, click on the right button over here and tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to rename it, you need to click on those three lines over here, three dots, sorry, and select Rename. Then type wherever you want to and save it by choosing OK. If you wish to get rid of your recording, you have to hold it and click on the spin icon over here. Lastly, choose Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!